This is the DESTEK QH3. It's an aftermarket Quest 3 headband. So to start this off, I'll say it comes in a better looking box than all the other headbands I've seen. So if you're considering this as a gift, it definitely looks more premium. Once you open up the box, you will have the instructions right on the lid, which was super convenient. It was also the easiest to install out of all the headbands. Now, for full disclosure, I want to mention I did get this product for free in exchange for a review, but that in no way affects what I say about the product. Anyway, once you get the headband out of the bag, all you need to do is fold up the middle part and it's ready to be attached to your Quest. So just remove the original headband, the sides just pop off the rest of the Quest, just make sure you're only taking off the band, not pulling on the actual not removable part with the speakers in it. Then you need to remove the padding around the face and the face shield off the headset. Be very careful here, just make sure you're only pulling on the right parts, then remove the Velcro strap in the middle. Once the old one is removed, the new one is ready to install. And here, simply slide both sides onto the sides of the Quest. This can be done with the face shield off, or you can put the face shield back on and then attach. I got both sides attached by a little bit, and then I went ahead and moved them forward one at a time till they were fully seated. Once they're fully seated, all the speaker openings are not going to be covered by anything, and you will reach that little piece of plastic in the back. So what I like to do is place the Quest on my face and then tighten the back and top dial to my preference. The top part of the headband can be adjusted forward or backward on the top of your head to the most comfortable position for you. I find I like it a little bit forward of center. This helps take away some of the pressure from my face. The top headband is also the part that I would change about this headset if I could. I would take the pad and make it a little bit wider and thinner and more curved so it doesn't apply as much pressure to one spot as it does right now. That being said, it's definitely an improvement over the stock headband. It sits firmly on the face while distributing the pressure and is more comfortable in pretty much every way over the stock headband.